Marconi went into the last round inside the top 5, but they had to account for a tricky Wollongong Wolves side coming to spoil the party. If the Stallions slipped, Rockdale could take their place in the finals. But Marconi started well, James Andrew with an early opening, but he couldn't finish the chance. Nick Montgomery then combined with Peter Simonovsky up the other end, the Wolves warming to things as well. And it would be Wollongong who opened the scoring on 15 minutes. Steve Hayes finding Simonovsky, he slotted home 1-0. Sean Rooney then looked to spark the Stallions from the set piece. This time, Rooney saw it edge wide. Andrew showed his pace to create another opening for Marconi on 38 minutes, but he couldn't beat Justin Passfield. But as Marconi surged forward to find an equaliser, they left space in behind, and Nick Montgomery almost made it 2 on 53 minutes, Vekic saving well. But Marconi almost found an equaliser on 58 minutes. Again, the ball just wouldn't go in. Simonovsky was a danger all afternoon for the visitors, and he fired wide on 72 minutes. But he would go one better 5 minutes later. Great build-up saw Simonovsky find space, and he chipped home in style, 2-0 to Wollongong. He ensured Marconi would bounce out of the finals race 9 minutes from time. Simonovsky completing his hat-trick, finishing off the work of Montgomery. The striker chipping Vekic again, 3-0. Not the afternoon Marconi needed. Their defeat sees Rockdale leap them into the finals. Marconi could have marked their return to the NPL New South Wales Men's with a finals appearance, but it will be the one that got away.